Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming.
Wee. Dum dum Wee. Dum dum Wee. Dum dum Wee.
Why is no one talking about this? Go to Netflix. Click TV shows. Kids TV. The Magic School Bus. Season for episode 12, 8:34. Do you see it? Here's a closer look.
Let's go. Stop being sad over shit you can't control. Stupid.
Kosmetyków AA Aloes.
Polacy są wszędzie. Poza krajem żyje 4,5 miliona.
No, not in a million years. You get that thing away from me right now. They're nice. They're not. I don't care. I don't care if they're flipping.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Wasn't I just here? Wait, what the fuck? I just want to go to bed. I had a long day. Bro, who switched my service to Asia? What the fuck?
Dang, bro. Play too much, man. What? Oh, fuck! I can't find myself talking to my poo. Trying to push it through.
So I asked my mom and my friends to send me videos of them shaking their heads no.
I don't mean to be rude, but I have one question for you. Just one. It's something not too intrusive, but straight to the point if you may. Just say so. I just want to ask you one thing. Did you wash your pussy today? Did you wash your pussy today? Excuse me. Did you wash your pussy today? Hey, what you say? Did you wash your pussy today? Did you wash your pussy today? Did you wash your pussy today? No way.
Well, I missed the. Barry, can you ring me a bear? When he walked back in the room and his phone was saying disabled for 24 hours. Me trying to hold my laugh in serious moments. This is so stupid. When you broke, but you want to make the house look nice. I refuse to believe that the God I serve made this.
I'm an alien. It's a taser. Alexander, take what I said. Tell me this one. Pull all this shit. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. No. Don't talk to me. Can you pay the bills? Can you pay my telephone bills? Can you pay my I'm a bag? I don't think you do. Si quieres dinero, lo siento, no tengo. Si take my dinero. Take my dinero. Oh, y'all like that Spanish? Y'all didn't know I speak Spanish, did y'all? Konnichiwa.
Why was the show Barney recently cancelled? Well, if you didn't know, Barney was a purple dinosaur who bonded with little kids, as the creators of Barney wanted little kids to look up to him. But sadly, this would all change because of this scene where Barney is seemingly sad about something. And that's because he's seen Big Bird shot and killed on television. Barney couldn't believe it and said, "Why did this even happen?" Let the kids he kidnapped free and ran to his car. Meanwhile, Cookie Monster's at his office in the hood and tells his Crips he's gonna go out and kill Elmo's whole gang. Finally, Barney arrived on Sesame Street and yelled out, "Who killed Big Bird? Come outside and catch this fade." That's when Barney seen a dinosaur that owed him money. So then he beat him up. Barney slammed him to the ground and started punching him. Slapped him in the face, took his money and said, "Do you know who I am, Goofy? Don't you ever play with my money, and tell your mom I said hi." Meanwhile, Miss Piggy just broke out of jail after getting in a shootout with Kermit and Elmo on the highway. So she reunited with Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster told Miss Piggy, "I know where Elmo's hideout is. It's time to end this once and for all." So Cookie Monster and Miss Piggy pulled up to the hideout, aka the trap house, and busted through the door, aimed his gun and said, "Where's Elmo? Tell me or you're gonna meet your great-great-grandma." But the guy starts crying like a little girl and says, "I don't know." Cookie Monster picks him up and starts choking him. That's when Elmo busts out the cut and say, "What's going on in here? Who let this fat blue creature in here?" Then Cookie Monster said, "I did." It all ends here, Elmo. I'm not going back to jail. They only give me vegetables. That's when Barney busts from behind the curtains and says, "Don't worry, you're not going to jail." Then Elmo takes out his knife and says, "You're not leaving this building alive." So Barney and Elmo shot and stabbed up Cookie Monster, leaving him dead at the bottom of the stairs. Later that night, Elmo and Barney sat down together, and Elmo said, "I'm sorry what happened to Big Bird, Barney. I couldn't save him." Barney said, "It's alright, Elmo. Now put your hands up."
What a lie, what a lie, what a lie. She gon' flirt in front of her nigga. She like Fago, you getting bigger. I remember when you was a little nigga. I got shots like that boy Tigger. No, you and me for no trigger. Don't wanna have to pick up on nobody.
Really just give me you can't be my sneaking link, but you my weakest link. No cap, boy, that dick is weak. So what the fuck you think? I heard he got that slap.
I'm not faced, only you the sin. If you've been in the garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way. Like, call me by your name. Tell me you love me in private. Call me by your name. How do I care if you're lying?
Oh, baby, nah, that ain't gonna work.